Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank here from Altcoin Buzz. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever in the world you find yourself. So obviously, Bitcoin has been slowing down its death spiral, and Ethereum also has been slowing down. As we see in the past 24 hours, Ethereum has had a 4.5% spike. Not only that, but if we look at the past couple of days, we can see that despite this big dump, Ethereum has actually seen a relief rally of 32%, going from a low of $882 to a previous local high of $1,167. So the question is this a short-lived relief rally, or will we see further price movements to the upside? So to figure that out, we're going to zoom way out, looking at the monthly time frame. Guys, stick around until the end of the video. I'm going to show you why now is actually a very, very interesting price point to potentially be buying based on previous market structure that we've had, and also the RSI indicator down here. Now, for those of you who don't know, Altcoin Buzz is first and foremost a crypto investment research company, and we have been providing you numerous 100x returns since 2017. So if you want to get in on that action, join our Altcoin Buzz Access group, where we document up-to-date research covering undervalued altcoin gems, NFT minting opportunities, and our portfolio strategies. So click the link up above to take part in the action, or in the pinned comment section down below. Also, we have a special giveaway program with MEXC right now, the MEXC exchange. We are giving over $6,699 in bonuses to every new account that signs up with MEXC using the AB, in other words, the Altcoin Buzz exclusive link. As a new sign-up, you get a chance to enter a lucky draw worth $2,500 in USDT, plus lifetime 10% trading fee discount, and also a 1-month subscription to our great Altcoin Buzz Access Pro. So that's 1-month membership for free, all just by signing up using our link down in the comments section below. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any future updates. And finally, please note that none of this is financial advice. Okay, so before I show you this really important chart, this is really the most important chart to be watching now on Ethereum, the monthly chart. Let's first of all look at this move that we've seen. So on the 4-hour, we can see that we have an uptrend that started here. We had this relief rally, which, as I mentioned, brought us 32% in gains. However, now you can see it's slowing down, and it raises the question, is this just a short-lived relief rally, or will we see further movement to the upside? Well, a good thing to look at on the 4-hour is the EMAs, and here you can see the 200, the 100, the 50 and the 20 EMA are all fanning out to the downside. This is very typical of a bear market. So really, if the trend is your friend, there is nothing very convincing about the 4-hour chart suggesting that we would be having any further movement to the upside. However, things get more interesting when we zoom out to the monthly time frame. So have a look at this. On the monthly time frame, you see the previous high of the previous market was at $1,420. However, that was just the wick. The close of that candle had us closing at $1,110. This was back in January 2018. And guess where we are right now? Almost exactly the same price. So it's quite possible, quite likely, usually previous resistances end up turning into supports. So there was a chance for us to find support at $1,420 or so. That didn't happen, but this is the close of the previous peak in terms of the monthly candle. And the monthly candles, basically the higher the time frame the candles, the more relevant they are. So this is a very notable piece of information if you are looking to enter a trade into Ethereum. The next very interesting thing, of course, is the RSI. Again, this is Bitstamp. This is Ethereum all the way back to 2015. So we have almost 7 years of data here. And look what happened at the previous bear market. We bottomed out with an RSI of 42.42. Now, admittedly, we waited many, many months before the bull market really took off, but we did see a bottoming out at this RSI, and currently the RSI is at exactly that same level. So that's quite exciting in the sense that we have previous market structure showing potential support at this level, and also the RSI showing a history of having bottomed out at this level. Now, of course, we only have one instance of a bear market bottoming out at this level, but nonetheless, this is quite interesting to note. Okay, so with that in mind, let's have a look now at the support levels on the shorter time frames. Let's start by looking at the daily time frame here on Ethereum. As you can see, we've seen this very, very quick, violent move to the downside. So yes, we are in a downtrend, but downtrends also can be overextended. And as we can see here, if we zoom out, there's also a potential diagonal support line here, which found resistance twice here in February 2021 and March 2021, found support on the 23rd of May 2021, and now we've seen a very notable bounce from this level. So this points again to a potential reason to have found support here, at least in the short term. Now that, in addition to the fact that the daily RSI has been oversold for about 10 days now, 10 bars of oversold, it's quite rare that we ever see that. In fact, if you try and zoom back out to the last time that the daily RSI was oversold for 10 days in a row, you will see that it dates all the way back here to November 2018. And again, what was that? That was the absolute bottom of the Ethereum bear market. So interesting that we are seeing a lot of factors showing us that potentially this is the bottom of the bear market. That being said, again, this is really a guessing game. In the end, the trend is your friend. And if you are buying here, please make sure that you have proper risk management. And again, please remember that I am not a financial advisor and you have to make your own decisions in this market. Now, yet another reason why this might actually be the bottom, despite the fact that we are in a downtrend, is this volume spike. We saw a lot of volume, significant volume on the 12th of June. And then after that, a couple days later, we saw this incredibly bullish candle here with a super long lower wick, bringing us right back up. So again, we are seeing a lot of very convincing signs that this is at the very least, the local bottom, and that we will see a rally up from here. So when it comes to immediate supports, the first support would be the previous 4-hour low at the $1,152 level. The next support, I'm going to go ahead and mark it at the $1,000 level, the psychological support, because I do think there's a good chance that we actually find support here and have a relief rally. And in that case, it would be valuable to be looking out for more immediate supports. And then, of course, the next support is the previous low at the $881 level. Now, when it comes to resistances, of course, we have the previous 4-hour high, $1,168. After that, we have more or less a double top over here. We have several candles closing in this range. Let's just call it the $1,267 level. And you can also see that there is a liquidity gap thereafter, because the major resistance thereafter would be previous lows at this $1,728 level. So I'm not saying the whole bear market is over, but my personal guess is that yes, we will see a relief rally and potentially see quite a big move up, despite the fact that we are in a downtrend on all the major timeframes. All right, guys, that's been it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're taking care with your finances, not making decisions which are going to wreck you. All right, the idea in crypto is to be here in the long term. There's big moves in the short term, but the long term doesn't lie. Bitcoin and Ethereum especially have seen uptrends for many, many years now. So stay safe out there. And also feel free to check out my other videos. You can see them up here. I post videos for Altcoin Buzz, 3-4 times a week, so feel free to check those out. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.